Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to build a superfast JSON parser from scratch in C#. We're going to have at least 3 parts in this series. In this video, which is the first part, we will build the Lexer. And in the second video, we're going to build our parser. And in the third video, we'll add features like deserialization into full-blown concrete C# objects. So let's start. So basically, how JSON parsing works is we have a JSON text and we need to have a Lexer that will take our JSON text, break it into different tokens, all the tokens, and then the parser gets all these tokens and passes them into an object. So let's start by creating a C# project. So new project. We call it a console app. Is a console app. Let's say Superfast JSON parser. So we say next. You can use .NET 6 or .NET 7. So I'll use .NET 6, anyone. And then so we start by creating our Lexer. Um, so Lexer. So create a Lexer class and make it public. So we need a constructor that accepts a string of our JSON string. So let's say JSON string. And we need a property for that JSON string. So we have a public string. We call it JSON string get. Let's say JSON string is JSON string. Initialize it like that, or we throw an argument null exception. So name of JSON string. So we also need a pointer to the current char. As we are going through this JSON text, we go from one character to another, and we begin encoding them into tokens. So that is what our Lexer does. So we need a current char. We need a current char. We initialize it to Unicode null terminator. So we need a next char too. We also need a pointer to, we just need something to tell us what is the next char in the JSON text. And we also need a position. We want to know our current position at every point. So we initialize it to -2. And so let's create them. So they can be fields, they can be private fields. So let's just make them generate field. Okay, good. So so we need a method that will first call here to advance to shift to the next chart. So next, we call it next. Come on, man. Yeah. Okay. So it's a private void, and so the first thing is we first make it advanced position by 1, and we set current chart to the next chart, meaning we have moved on to the next chart. So and then we check if our position is less than or equals to our input JSON string length -2. So we want to set our next chart to the JSON string position +1. Else we have reached the end. So we should say our next chart is not terminator. So okay, so that is next. We call next here to move. So we start our Lexer on a clean state, on a clean safe state. So the next method we need a consume white space method. So we need a method to help us get rid of white spaces. So because white spaces are not valid tokens, so we want to get rid of them and just pass what is necessary to be passed in the text. So to consume white space, so we want to check while current char. Current char is not the end yet. It's not end of file yet. And in char dot, we use a C# utility method is white space current char. So we want to shift, we want to move on to the next character. Okay. So while we have after doing that, then we need our main method, which is the lex method. So this returns a token, lex. So which does the main work for us. So let's create our token object. So it's going to be a record. We can make it a record. So we can say record. So public record. We need a token kind to tell which kind of token it is. Is it a open curly brace? And we need an object that holds the literal or the value, whatever. So let's create token kind. It's going to be an enum. So token kind. So enum, this should be public. And we need open curly brace. That is this token here. This guy, open curly brace. We need open curly brace, close curly brace. We need a comma. We need a comma. We need a colon. Colon. This is colon. Or semicolon. I think this is colon. So we need a colon. We need a open square brace. So which is this guy here. This guy in case of arrays only. So close square brace. We also need a string literal. We need a numeric literal. So to hold strings, like in this JSON, you can see this is a string literal, this is another string, this is another string, this is a numeric literal. So we need and then we need end of file token. So we need EOF. So this is what we want to do. Inside our lex method. So we want to first call next, that is to shift to advance. And we want to also consume any white spaces that may be available. And we want to hold our current char in this new variable var current char, and we can also make it a string and say char string. Char string is current char dot to string. Yeah. So and then we start introduce a condition. So if current char is not terminator, so we want to return new token token kind dot eof end of file. So else if current char equals to colon, so we want to return new token kind dot colon and then the char string. So else if current char equals to open curly, so open curly brace, so we want to return new token kind open curly brace and the char string. Okay. Else if current char is close curly, so close curly, we want to return new token, say token kind close curly brace char string. And if is else if current char is open square braces, so we want to return new token kind dot open square brace char string. And if current char is equals to close square, so we want to return new token kind dot close square and the char string. So and now if so we want to also consume string literal. So if current char is a double quote, that is do we have this guy as the current child, then we know we are getting prepared to consume a string literal. So what we'll do is we return new um make string literal. So so that's another method that will handle this. So let's generate a method. Return return make string literal. So generate method. So we are currently on a double quote. So we want to shift to the next char. So let's call next first. So let's call next. And then we also want to take the current position. We want to take the record of the current position. So it's position. And record this our position, our class with position. So and then we want to introduce while current char is not equals to not terminator, not terminator. And it's not equals to and current char is not equals to it's not equals to the second open quote, which denotes the end of that string literal. So while we are on NAME and we have not reached the second quote, keep adding the characters, keep track of them. So we want to hit next here. So meaning shift to the next char. So and then we collect our literal. So our literal is going to be just a string or substring and current post position minus current post. And that will be our literal. So we want to return new token kind string literal, and literal is our actual value of it. So we want to now consume for numbers now. So if current char, if so I want to use inbuilt C sharp is digit or number can work. So I'll go with his digit. So current char, and so we want to return make numeric literal. So this will be another method that handles this. So generate method. Um, so we're in a number now, right? So the first thing we do is keep track of our current position. So it's position. And also numbers can be integers or decimals that have points, so points, whatever. So what we want to do is keep track of dots too. So our dots is going to be 0 first. And then why current char is not the end of everything, the end of the world. And and we want to also check that the current char, as we are iterating, is still a number or a point something. So so we want to say char dot is digits current char or or current char is a point something. So so now we are so if current char equals to a dot, so we want to actually increment. So let me do this on a line. So dots increment dots and just hit next. No zero notice. So so the next thing we want to do, so we want to make a check if dots is greater than one, that is a weird number. So we want to throw new format exception, say like invalid decimal number format. Like you cannot have 23 point something. No, that is an IP address. Um, so if dots is 0, so we definitely have an integer, not double or float or something. So if dot is 0, so we want to return new token. We want to return new token kind dots numeric literal, and our actual number value will be JSON string dot substring, and we start from current post and position minus current post plus 1. So, and that is not it alone. We want to convert this to an actual integer. So You can hit dot pass here, hit dot pass this guy. So now, so else we definitely have a double, a float, something, a decimal number. So we want to, let's copy this guy. Let's copy this guy and just hit say double dot pass. Okay, so now we are consuming string literals and numeric literals. So our edge case here is end of file, which is the worst case scenario. So 0 and so that is that. It's time to test our Lexer now. So let's come to program.cs. I have a sample JSON string here that we can use. So our JSON string is this, just like I have on the diagram here. So let's initialize Lexer. So new Lexer, and we pass in our JSON string, and we say while true, bar token. So we tell it to just start emitting the tokens one after another. So let's print it console right line token, and so we don't have an infinite loop. I mean, like, we don't keep iterating forever. So we check if token, if the current token dot kind equals to token kind end of file. So we want to break out of loop. So let's try to test now. So I'll run this guy. So I run this guy, I run, and okay, so we have a name, Jason Bond. So it did not consume the numeric literal as well. So let me check why. So so make numeric literal. So if so here I've seen the problem. So so here should be next chart, meaning we are having a look ahead. Is the next number also a number or a dot? So this should be next chart. This should be next chart. So yes, this should be next chart. So let's do this again. Let's do this again. It's still not working. If char is digits, mm, digit. Okay. So that is this. So we hit next. We consume white spaces. Consume white spaces. So let's see. Okay. So if char is digit, next char, or next char is this, or next char is equals to this. So okay. So it has not consumed our number yet. So um make numeric literal. Okay. So let's put the breakpoint here. So um Is there an exception? Presume white spaces. So let's put breakpoints in. So token kinds, yes. Mhm. Token kinds, okay. So next shift, presume white space. So current char is this, okay. So consume open curly, okay, 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 open curly, yes. Once the current char is is a double quote, so double quotes, and then it will make a string literal here. Make string literal. So we shift away from the double quotes. So then our current char should be n name, yes. Okay, so we take the track of that current char and okay, name. Okay, so we get what is the name? Yes, string literal. Okay, okay. So now we have name. Okay, all right. So current char is a colon. Yes, colon. We have colon now. We have colon now. Okay, good. So next consume white space. So we have another string literal. So come here. Next. So let me put a breakpoint here and continue. So okay, it's not equals to this. Okay, literal is JSON born, which is correct. So keep going. So what is current char? So we have comma. Oh, that is the error. So we are not consuming the comma token. So that way it just went straight to end of file. So let me copy this guy. Let me copy here. So comma. All right. Uh, disable all breakpoints and run again. Yeah, bravo. So now our Alexa is working perfectly fine. Good. So we have in this JSON here, so we have open curly brace, which is here, open curly brace. So actually let me do something so it doesn't quit on us. So, okay. Okay, so we have open curly brace, literal, delete this is the literal. We also have another one name, which is a string literal. We have colon, This is colon. We have another string literal, which is JSON born. Yeah, here. And we have the next one is a comma token, which is this. String literal, which is age. Age is here. And we have a numeric literal, which is 44. We have a close curly brace literal, which is this. End of file. So that marks the end of this tutorial. This is the Lexer part. In the next part, we're going to build a parser to make better sense of what we have been able to do with the Lexer. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.